Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. iPoGo, a highly popular app for Pokémon Go and Monster Hunter Now enthusiasts, offers a range of exceptional features for location spoofing on your device. With iPoGo, players can gain a significant advantage in the game. However, there is a drawback that users frequently encounter: iPoGo not working. Numerous reports from Pokémon Go players indicate that iPoGo is experiencing functionality issues on their devices. For instance, when using the Plus mod, the screen becomes unresponsive and goes completely black, rendering the game inaccessible. Furthermore, devices running Pokémon Go with iPoGo appear to operate at a slower pace compared to those without any helper or spoofing support. To shed light on the reasons behind the faltering iPoGo experience on your device, consider the following: insufficient system resources, improper installation, risks of downloading hacks. In addition, this tool will bring certain risks, and the discovery of policies touching Pokémon Go is also one of the reasons. Understanding these underlying causes will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issues you are encountering with iPoGo. Of course, if you are looking for an alternative, then UltFone iOS Location Changer is a good choice. Follow me to install and open it on your computer, then connect your iPhone to your PC. Here are the 4 functions. Feature 1. Change location. Feature 2. Single spot movement. Feature 3. Multi-spot movement. Feature 4. Joystick movement. These features allow you to play the game smoothly. Here, let's use change location and joystick movement features for Monster Hunter Now. You can select any location you want to change on the map, or enter the place you want to go in the search box. And then click Start to modify. Wow, just like this. This feature can take you anywhere you want to go. Joystick movement. You can see your location on the map and zoom in and out to observe. Here you can drag the slider to adjust the movement speed. And then you can see the joystick controller. Just click it to move. It should be noted that the moving speed should not be too fast. Otherwise, you will easily be warned. If you want to return to the real location, just click the icon on the lower right or restart the device. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.